Easy to install. Wrench flats ensure easy installation and removal. Material, rubber bushings. GREASEABLE socket. Inhibits corrosion and wear by allowing new lubricant to flush debris. Keeps dirt and water out. Pre-installed boot shield socket components from wear causing debris. Strong and durable. Thick connecting rod adds strength while metal bearings and rubber preload deliver long life. Premium materials, made from premium materials for long-lasting dependability. Backed by superior materials and rigorous testing, MOOG sway bar links deliver reliable performance you can count on. MOOG problem-solving innovations ensure fast, hassle-free installation. Top reviews from the United States. Great replacement. Fit perfect on my 2007 Impreza sedan N. A felt way more durable than the OM, very solid and heavy. I did need to add some grease.